Hello, I'm Nathan Parker, an instructor for FreeMagicSchool.com. Today I will be showing you a card trick. First I'll run through the effect and then I'll explain it. All you need is a deck of cards. First thing you'll do is maybe give the cards a couple of cuts. Then you will riffle through the deck, like so. And I'll riffle through the cards and ask the spectator to call out stop at any time. Say they stop at that point, I'll then cut the deck to where they call stop and have them take their card. In this case, the 3 of clubs. The spectator will hold their card, and I will then tell them that even before they pick their card, I knew what card they were going to choose. It is a completely free choice. Since I knew what card they were going to pick, of course I have to prove that to the spectator, and I will do so by showing them inside the card box. On one flap there is a 3, and on the reverse flap a club, showing their card, the 3 of clubs. Now I'll explain how the effect works. Once again, you just need a deck of cards and a card box. This is a custom box and a custom deck which already has the club and the 3 printed on there. If you don't have a custom box like this, just take your card box. You can draw the 3 and the club here, or on the back flap you can write out 3 of clubs if you prefer. It doesn't have to be the 3 of clubs, it can be any card that you want to use. For example though, we'll stick with the 3 of clubs. This will be our force card, and it will be on top of the deck. Now the force I'm going to teach you is called the Riffle force, and all you need to do, you'll have your force card on top, then you'll cut the deck. I'm going to show you from a side view so you can see what I'm doing here. You'll put the bottom half on top, and you'll catch a pinky break on top of the force card, the 3 of clubs. Now you don't have to stick your whole pinky in there, just enough flesh to hold the break above the force card. From the front, everything looks good, but you have your pinky break here. Now, for extra cover, while I'm doing the effect, I'll usually hold the deck like this while I'm talking to the spectator. This covers you from the sides. You'll riffle through the end of the deck like this. Just run your thumb down the outside edge, and you'll ask the spectator to call out stop at any time. If they say stop there, hand goes in front. Instead of picking it up where the spectator said stop, you're actually picking it up from the break that you were holding with your pinky, which will bring their card, the 3 of clubs. Now, sometimes when I do this, I'll riffle, they'll say stop, 3 of clubs is here, of course. I'll say, okay, you can take this card, or you can change your mind, we'll start over, you can pick a different one. Most of the time they'll stick with the first card, but if they want to do it again, just maintain your break as such. I'll riffle through the deck again, they'll call out stop. Remember, pick up from the back where you're holding your break, and once again give them their card, the 3 of clubs, or whatever force card you choose to use. Once they have their card and look at it, you can set the deck to the side, Then you proceed to tell them that you already knew the card they were going to pick before they picked it. And then you can have them open the case, which is better than you opening it yourself and showing them. And they will see the 3 on the flap and the club on the other flap, which matches the card they just chose. Like I said, if you don't have a custom box like this, it's very simple to just take your card box, draw your 3, draw your club, or write out 3 of clubs on the back flap, whichever you prefer. This effect is pretty standard, pretty easy. It will take some practice to get the pinky breakdown as well as the riffle force. With a little bit of practice, they're pretty easy slides and not hard at all for the trick that you'll achieve, the effect that you'll achieve once you've learned it. Thanks for watching. Hope this has been informational. Remember to check out www.freemagicschool.com for more tutorials. Thank you. Hope